Hi everyone, you are watching this video. That means you are planning to travel to Japan, right? So in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fill in Visit Japan. So first, briefly introduce the Visit Japan web. So if you come to Japan, you must prepare this, okay? So the first thing you must do is create an account. So tap here and fill in your email address, then make your account. Then register the category of entry procedure. So how to register your passport information, you can choose either scan with camera or enter by yourself to register your passport information. Then register basic information like this: passport number, surname, given name, nationality, occupation, home address, country name, city name. But actually, there's a optional field. Step 2. Register your entry return schedule. In this part, enter your travel information and register your schedule. You can register using any of the methods A to C below. So A. Proceed with registration without citation. Or B. Quote from travel agency registration information. Or quote from registered immigration and return information. And C. Citing information when applying for a visa. Step 3. Fill your entry return procedure. Click on your registered schedule and enter the required information for entry return procedures. And quarantine. You can have a guidance according to your health condition by answering the questions from quarantine on the procedure page. Next, immigration clearance. Register your information from immigration clearance on the procedure page, like this. The next part is things to do when entering Japan or returning to Japan. So step 4, show the QR code from entry procedure. Display the QR code from the procedure page. The QR code can be used at the immigration counter. So for more information, I'll comment down below this web page URL, okay? So please check it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. So thank you for watching. Enjoy your travel.